Welcome to your new favorite meal. Today, we're diving into the culinary world of Thailand with an easy-to-make, nutritious Thai green curry. Let's get started with the ingredients. 1 pound chicken breast, 1 can coconut milk, 2 tablespoons green curry paste, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 cup bamboo shoots, 1 red bell pepper, 1 zucchini, and fresh basil leaves. Serve with jasmine rice for a complete meal. First, heat a tablespoon of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the green curry paste and sauté for 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, add the chicken breast, cut into bite-sized pieces, and cook until it starts to brown. Pour in the coconut milk and chicken broth, stirring well to combine. Bring to a simmer and cook for 10 minutes. Add the bamboo shoots, red bell pepper, and zucchini. Cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. For a time-saving tip, use pre-sliced veggies. Want to mix it up? Substitute chicken with tofu for a vegetarian option. Serve your vibrant green curry with a side of jasmine rice, garnished with fresh basil leaves. Did you know Thai green curry is traditionally made with green chilies, giving it that vibrant color and unique flavor? Enjoy this delightful dish that's both exotic and comforting, straight from the heart of Thailand.